The challenge in animating with toys lies in their lack of flexibility. To address this, I delved into sculpting and crafted my own puppet, offering greater control. This particular puppet was painted with the intention of capturing and reflecting light, and what better hue for that purpose than white? It's akin to sketching the puppet directly onto the camera with white paint and optimal lighting. This concept stemmed from my observations of painting styles that imbue objects with a drawn quality in the real world.